So you've got a new project, client sends you a room schedule. You've got about 200 rooms, all the data is here, CSV or Excel file, and all this information has to go into Revit. So let's look at our model, and we can see here this is actually a model that was created via AI, artificial intelligence. This was all created via natural language, and the AI agent was able to create all the different rooms and the levels and everything that I need. So if you'd like more information on that and how I can set up that MCP for you, I'd be more than happy to give you some information on that. So the typical way we do this is by manually placing rooms, renaming them, adding all the information from the file. So that's why I created the room data tool. And so what this does is it loads it into Revit 4. So we load the file, we look at all the information here. We see that we've got 199 rows in the CSV, matched 198. There were 3 errors, and so this is things that we can look at as we go into the warnings and issues. So we look at warnings and issues, and we see that row number 312 and 205, they're duplicates in the CSV file. So let's double check that 205 is indeed a duplicate and 312 is also a duplicate. So it's a nice warning for you to let you know. And also it says that there's a room in the CSV file that is not in our Revit file. And so that's total of 5 errors. So we've got 199 minus 5, and if we run this, we should get 194. But before we do that, let's look at a custom mapping that we have available to us. We can see that the left-hand side shows all the CSV columns, and then we can custom map it to whatever parameter in Revit we want to associate that with. So that's a pretty cool tool for you there. So now we'll sync this. We have a nice progress bar there. And we do have updates. We recognize that this information looks correct in what we were expecting. So now if we actually just double check to make sure everything was done correctly, we'll look at room 308G. We've got bathroom 2. I'll pull up in the CSV file. 308G, it is indeed bathroom 2. We've got ceiling, it's drywall, then we've got tile and tile. So that did work perfectly for all rooms in that CSV file. Now let's look at room 312 because we said that that was a duplicate, and indeed it was. And so you see that no changes were made because this was a duplicate. So just something to keep in mind there. And if we head over to our room schedule, we can see that everything is updated accordingly. So that's just a sample of my room data sync tool. If you're interested in this tool or any other customization options, please reach out. You can find my information in the description below.